Hey there everyone, and welcome back to Saving Says. Today, we're diving into the world of the stunning Barbie movie rollerblade skates. The big question on everyone's mind. Are they worth the immense hype? Let's find out. Take a look at these show-stopping rollerblade skates. Inspired by iconic Barbie movie moments, the vibrant colors, intricate details, and that unmistakable Barbie charm. But are they all style and no substance? First, we're going to dive right into the unboxing experience. What's inside that delightful packaging? Let's find out. Right away, you can feel the quality of these skates. They are well constructed with smooth wheels. The adjustable straps ensure a comfortable fit. And guess what? They come in various sizes, so there's a pair for everyone. Now comes the fun part, taking these skates for a spin. I must say, they feel surprisingly comfortable, and they roll smoothly. It's almost like gliding on a cloud while we skate around. Let's compare these skates to the iconic movie scenes that inspired them. It's a whimsical experience, reliving the magic from the big screen. To get a broader perspective, I reached out to a dedicated Barbie collector with years of experience. Their insights are invaluable in understanding the allure of these rollerblade skates. Like any product, there are pros and cons to consider. On the plus side, these skates offer style and endless fun. However, if you're a serious skater, they might not be the best choice for intense sessions. And the best part is, you don't have to break the bank to own these fabulous Barbie movie rollerblade skates. You can find them on Amazon at discounted prices, making them even more accessible for Barbie fans and skaters alike. Check the links in the video description to grab your pair at a great deal. So here's the verdict. If you're a Barbie enthusiast or collector, these rollerblade skates are a must-have addition to your collection. They bring a touch of magic and make for fantastic display pieces. However, for those looking for high-performance skates, it ultimately depends on your preferences and how you plan to use them. That's it for our review of the Barbie movie rollerblade skates. Share your thoughts on these skates in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining us today. And remember to roll in style with these stunning Barbie movie rollerblade skates. Catch you in the next video.